Just a brief update on that Italian YouTube, car crash stunt that went so horribly wrong. The child was only 5, but a little bit more information coming through. The YouTubers have a channel called Borderline. They've actually hired the Lamborghini for 50 hours, and the footage is that they were just driving around, basically insulting people, going, "Oh, your car's rubbish, my car's really expensive." Before this actually happened, the driver of the car is under investigation. They call it for causing death by dangerous driving. And is also apparently tested positive for cannabis. But what I wanted to mention, we were discussing about, liability of people for these. Well, the Italian government have now proposed that they want to introduce a law um, which would be called glorifying illegal activity, is how it seems to translate. I mean, obviously the details are sketchy. They've just announced this. It's not like we have detailed legislation, but it seems primarily aimed at people who operate YouTube channels like this, who put who actually go out and create these things. But it would also seem to catch anybody who shows other people's videos like this. But whether or not somebody commenting on it, like one of the companies promoting a channel and going, "This is a great channel and this is fantastic and this is really exciting," as apparently was the case, maybe that would be covered by this. So it seems that they are really sort of going after this specific activity. I mean, these things are quite often just covered by existing laws anyway, but sometimes it's easier to create new laws to specifically address new problems.